For modern warehouse solutions, a high degree of flexibility is a key requirement. This is especially true for urban environments, where entirely custom-designed solutions often aren't feasible due to a wide variety of existing architectural layouts and restricted spatial availability. The Benjamin warehouse technology was created with these limitations in mind. It is a stunningly flexible logistics solution. As such, it is highly integrable into any kind of existing floor and warehouse layout. Due to the non-intrusive nature of our floor technology, it can be incrementally upgraded, extended, or modified just as required. It guarantees a seamless integration with existing AGVs and traditional warehouse systems without the need for complex, error-prone wireless installations. Advances in automation require future storage facilities to adapt and evolve. Our modern, modular, and extendable floor technology always keeps the pace. Benjamin Warehouse. Everything in motion.